Hello children, today let us learn the chapter of Maths 2, that is chapter number 1, Similarity. In this chapter, the very first concept that we are going to learn is based on ratio of areas of two triangles. Now see children, here what is the main part? Ratio of areas of two triangles. But assume that if we have only one triangle with us, and if we have to find the area of that triangle, so which formula you are going to use? So yes, we know area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So with this formula, we are going to see ratio of areas of two triangles. In this ratio of areas of two triangles, there are in total 4 concepts. So let us learn the very first condition in this ratio of areas of two triangles. Condition number 1. Here you all can see two triangles. Both the triangles are different. The name of the first triangle is triangle ABC. The name of the second triangle is triangle PQR. The base of the first triangle is not equal to the base of the second triangle. That it means that both the triangles are different. They have different base and different height, which you all can see. The base for the first triangle is BC. The height of the first triangle is AD. Whereas base for the second triangle PQR is QR and the height is PS. If we have to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles, so how we are going to find it? See, ratio of the areas of two triangles. That means we are going to use this formula, that is area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Why we are going to use this formula half into base into height? Because here in the very first condition, both the triangles are different. So if we have to find the ratio of both the triangles, how we are going to write it? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, right? Okay, so here we are going to find the ratio of both the triangles. So see, see the numerator, area of triangle ABC. In this very first triangle that you all can see, the base is BC and the height is AD. So how we are going to write? Half into base into height. Right? Half into BC into AD. Whereas, see the denominator, area of triangle PQR. What is the area of triangle PQR? Again we are going to write half into base is what? Base is QR into what is the height? PS. If we try to compare the numerator and denominator, here we can see half. That half is being cancelled. Yes. So what is remaining with us? We have base BC and height AD upon, in the denominator we have base QR into PS. Hence children, we can say that ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and their corresponding height. In this very first condition, you all can see the two triangles are different. It means that the base and the height for both the triangles are different. So when we find the ratio of the areas of two triangles, it is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding height. Now let us see the second condition for ratio of areas of two triangles. In the second condition, we are going to see, again here we will be having two triangles, but there is a twist children. The height for both the triangles will be same. Let us draw the figure for it. Okay children. So when you see these two figures, the first triangle is triangle ABC, the second triangle is triangle PQR. Both the diagrams are looking different, but the similarity is that both the triangles have same height. Yes. How we came to know that they have the same height? Because you all can see here the initials that has been added here. Okay, AD is H and PS is also H. That means both the triangles have same height. So in the second condition, when the two triangles have same height, and if we have to find the ratio of the areas of two triangles, then how we are going to find it? Let us see. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Now say the area of triangle, the formula is half into base into height, but half will get cancelled as we have seen earlier. So no need of writing the half again and again. So area of triangle ABC, the base is BC, right? And the height is AD. So for AD they have taken H. So we'll put H here. Now see the triangle, for triangle PQR, area of triangle PQR, the base is QR and the height is PS, which again here they have written the letter H. Yes, so we are going to put it. So now here if you compare that, you all can see the height is same, so it get cancelled out. So what remains with us? It remains with us that base of the first triangle BC to the ratio of the base of the first triangle to the second triangle. So in the second case, in the second condition, you all can see the height was same. So the reason for the second condition is triangles have equal heights. Okay children, let us go for the third condition. Children, if you see the third condition, here both there are two triangles. Yes, triangle ABC, and the second triangle is triangle PBC. Both the triangles, they are joined together with help of a base, right? With the help of a base, they are joined. It means that for both the triangles, in the third condition, the triangles are having equal base. So what about the height? If you see, for the first triangle, the height is AD, yes, and for the second triangle PBC, the height is PS. But for both the triangles, the base is same, that is BC is same. So in the third condition, the base is equal. So now how we are going to write it? How we are going to find the ratio of areas of two triangles? So we are going to write area of triangle ABC, yes, ABC upon area of triangle PBC is equal to half into base into height. But in this case now, the base is equal, right children? So if the base is equal, we are going to put S B into, that means the base, because both the base for both the triangle the base is equal, the height is AD, and for the second triangle PBC again the base is same and the height is PS. So here B and B get cancelled. So what remains with us? That is the height AD, the ratio of the corresponding heights, AD upon PS. In this case triangles have equal bases, right children? Now let us see the last condition. Okay children, you all can see a parallelogram, right? In this parallelogram there are so many triangles, but if I want to find ratio of the two triangles, that is triangle ADB, I will mark it, and area of triangle ABC, ADC and ABC, I will mark with a colored pen ADB, and the second triangle which I am talking about is triangle ABC. So in this case you all can see a parallelogram has the height is equal, right? If we try to draw it, and the base is also equal. So here in this type of condition, when the base is equal and the height is equal, the base is same, the height is same, the base is same, the height is same, everything will get cancelled out children. So what will remain? Only one. So the condition is what? Triangles have equal base bases and height. I hope so. You all must have understood the four conditions which we have done on ratio of areas of two triangles.